It's a bit of a rainy day, but I'm super excited. I'm on my way down. Sabrina is picking me up and we're going to Ikea. It's my first Ikea trip. Where are we going?
Ikea!
Ikea! I'm 25 years old and I've never been to Ikea, and apparently I need to go.
It's the best place.
So we on our way. See it. Ikea!
Ready?
We're here, we're here! Sabrina told me all about Ikea.
We have a plan. We're gonna do the upstairs first, and then eat, and then shop.
I'm just here for the food. I'm here for the vegan meatballs all the way.
They're so good too.
So what are you here to get?
Storage stuff for my closet.
Oh, that is very exciting.
It is.
Like
I love organizing.
yes, organizing is great. And I'm here for the food. So
Vegan meatballs.
and for the experience, you know?
We're ready to eat.
We're ready to eat. We just walked the whole showroom. It's really cute in here. Lots of stuff for organization. Now we're gonna go get some food.
So hungry.
This is what you do. You get a cart. Sabrina's got her cart. This is so weird.
I'm gonna try the apple cake because I've never had it.
Just grab whatever you want. Guys, we've got our vegan meal here from Ikea. I've already taken a few bites. This is kind of bland. Nothing some hot sauce can't fix. But the veggies are good. And then we've got the veggie meatballs. And look at that. They look so good. And then I've got my side salad here. But these are delicious. Alright, Sabrina says we're down to the fun part. We just got done eating. So she's got her shopping list ready. So excited. I'm probably gonna get things that I don't need or didn't know I needed. What do you guys think? Think this is a good look? Found my happy place.
She's having so much fun on her first Ikea trip.
We just loaded up the car, now we came back in. I'm really full, but I have to get the veggie dog. You know, I gotta do it. I'm gonna do it for you guys. So I didn't know that it was gonna come with all of these toppings on here. Not really appetizing to me anymore, but I think I might give it a try. I had her double check if the bun was vegan as well, and she did it for me. She just didn't seem too happy about it, but at least now you guys know. All right, I'm gonna try this veggie dog. So all in all, I would say that Ikea was a pretty great experience. It's nice to know if you're there shopping all day, us vegans will have something to eat. There's plenty to eat there. I'm sure you'll love the veggie meatballs and veggie hot dogs. I really liked the hot dog actually. I wasn't expecting to with the toppings. I was like,
It looked really good. I was not expecting there to be beets on it, but it looked really yummy.
yeah, it was really yummy. So definitely if you're planning a big trip to Ikea, it takes all day to get through that place. So if you're gonna spend some time shopping, you've got plenty to eat. I think you're in good hands.
So I'm supposed to be turning here.
Oops. No more just eating French fries or fruit. They've got some stuff for you there. And you said that you can buy the meatballs and take them home.
You can take the frozen meatballs home.
So you can buy them if you really love them. You can take them home. And I wonder if you can get the hot dogs too.
I don't know, I haven't seen them.
Yeah. The hot dogs are newer, but I bet you'll be able to buy those soon too.
Yeah. Now we're just waiting for the vegan ice cream.
Yes. Thanks for watching. First of all, I love this. Bugs all the way. But I love this too. Don't be so hard on yourself. It's a great reminder.
You're so